Hey guys, and happy Halloween week. Today we're going to be making these Halloween crispy treats. They're super simple to make and they are a great addition to any Halloween event that you may be having. So for this recipe, you will need just some standard Rice Krispies. I tried to find a Halloween type theme cereal. I couldn't find any in my local grocery store, so I just went with the OG, some Rice Krispies cereal. I also set up some white chocolate melting wafers along with some straws. You can also use little skewers in case you want to make these like little skewers. Rice Krispies treats are very, very moldable. You can make them into any shape that you want, little pumpkins, little ghosts, little bats. You can use cookie cutters with this and you can just go ahead and pop them on some skewers. You can drizzle a little bit of chocolate over them. I put that there just as an idea. I didn't use them in this video, but I did use the sprinkles. So, I mean, you can go ahead and get creative with these. You can add chocolate, you can add white chocolate, you can add some melted peanut butter, you can add just about anything. Literally just about anything. That's the beauty of a Rice Krispies treat. You're also going to need 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter, a 10-ounce bag of mini marshmallows, and optional is the candy of your choice. I used Reese's Pieces and some candy corn. I know, candy corn, you either love them or you hate them. In this house, we happen to love them, so we put them in our Rice Krispies treats. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and turn your heat up to about a medium high, and you're going to melt your butter in a large stock pot or saucepan. You want to use a large pot so that you can mix very easily. So just wait until your butter is melted. And once your butter is melted, don't let it cook, don't let it brown. Just immediately throw in your entire 10-ounce bag of mini marshmallows. And if you notice, I did turn down the heat to about a medium-low because you don't want this to burn or really cook. You just want to do this very gently, very slowly, and let the marshmallows become incorporated with the butter and just have them melt down to a nice little marshmallow kind of sauce. Be patient with this. It does take a few minutes, but just keep stirring. Don't let them stick. Just move them around so they can evenly melt. And while I was waiting for them to melt, I just took the pan that I was going to place my Rice Krispies in and I sprayed it down with a little bit of nonstick spray. So once your marshmallows have completely melted and have incorporated with the butter, it should look like this. Go ahead and turn off your heat and add in your 6 cups of cereal. Once you've added all your cereal, you're going to want to just combine this. It's going to look like it's never going to come together, but I promise you it will. Just be patient with it. Mix it around. Now at this point, if you wanted to, you could go ahead and add your sprinkles, any candy that you might be adding. I chose not to do that until it was already in the pan because I didn't want them to be all incorporated into my Rice Krispies treats. I just wanted them to be on the top. So once you've incorporated your marshmallow sauce and your cereal, you want to work quickly because you don't want this to cool. As it cools, they just start to set and they get even stickier if that's possible. So while it's still warm, go ahead and transfer it into your pan. And a little trick is that I spray my spatula down with a little bit of nonstick spray, and this just helps you really smooth everything out so that you have one even layer in your pan. So you just want to press this down and evenly distribute it around the pan. And while this is still soft and still warm to the touch, you want to go ahead and add your candies and press them down. Once this sets, your candies will not stick. They will just fall off the top of your Rice Krispies treats. So you want to do this as soon as you take it out of your pot and your Rice Krispies are still soft and warm. Now this is the part where you can get creative. Like I said, drizzle chocolate, add any candy of your choice. So I went ahead and I found some seasonal Halloween sprinkles, and I went ahead and used the chocolate sprinkles with the little ghosts, and I just pressed them down into my Rice Krispies. And once they were all pressed in, I was good to go. I went ahead and let this set for a couple of hours, and then I cut them up. And with the nonstick spray, they should be really easy to transfer out of your pan. You shouldn't have an issue with that. You can go ahead and wrap them up individually. You can serve them on a nice plate, however you wish. I really hope that you enjoyed the recipe. I really hope that you do give these a try. With Halloween right around the corner, this isn't something that you have to put a lot of time into or a lot of planning. This is very simple, very quick, very few ingredients, and you can just throw it all together and show up at your Halloween event, or just stay home with your family and make them a nice treat. This is a recipe that would be super fun to even involve your kids in, and they can help you in the process, and I'm sure they would absolutely love it. Once again, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a very happy Halloween, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!